Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Angel Gabriel Tarets. Today I am doing the translation of that video that whether the Sushant Singh Rajput will be the first baby of Ankita Lokhande. One video I have already uploaded. So this is the second video related to the mother of the Sushant Singh. So I have asked in that video that from my cards that whether the Sushant Singh Rajput will be the first baby of Ankita Lokhande, and the first question which I am asked that the first baby of Ankita will that baby will be born or not. A general question that the first baby of Ankita, will that baby will come in that world, and the second question is that first baby, who will be the first baby, whether it will be the Sushant or not. This is two questions I have asked. First question I have asked that the Ankita's first baby will be born, whether that baby will come in this world or not. So at that time this card you can see in that video came out. So this card shows that yes, that baby will be a very prince like baby, very beautiful baby, and definitely that baby will be a male baby. There are the possibilities, the cards are saying yes. You can say that these cards are not denying that Ankita's first baby will come in this world, and he will be very healthy, very prosperous, very rich, very good personality. He will be famous also among people. And but there are some possibilities of having issues with the babies, that that baby will, when that baby will born, there must be some worries, some problems at the first, some worries and problems and issues will come. That could be anything, whether the mother will face any problem or the baby will face any problem, but that baby will be born healthy, very rich and prosperous, in a very rich and prosperous family. There is no doubt. The cards are saying this only. So, and the first baby, if you will, if you have remembered that this card also have came out earlier in the video for the Sushant Singh Rajput, that he himself is in between and spreading the knowledge to the people, spreading uh, good things to the people, to do good deeds in their life, and he will spread good knowledge to the world. Again, I will repeat that Sushant will come in this world as a supreme power now, because in this birth as a Sushant, he is his family is very simple and sober. If you will see his mother and father, they are from Bihar. They are very simple family. They have the touch of the village, but this time the Sushant will be very prosperous, very knowledgeable. He is knowledgeable in this birth also, but in the next he will be in the authority. He will be holding a very powerful, you can say like a prince. He will be, and he will spread knowledge. There are the possibilities that cards are saying yes, the Ankita's first baby will be Sushant. There are the possibilities. And one second question I have asked after that, this that the first baby, to confirm, only to confirm again. See, I am confirming this again and again. In that previous video also, the mother one also I have confirmed that whether the Sushant will be the son of Ankita or not. The cards are not denying. They are saying yes, there are the possibilities, and God will send, the angels will send, the God will decide that whether he will be the son of Ankita or not. And when I have asked that the first baby of the Ankita will be Sushant, so cards, the first card which came out is of this lady having standing near the church. That means this card shows that the God is giving the blessings. It is yes. And the cards, you can say the second card, you can say this card of the victory. There is a sun, there is an eagle plus lion type of animal, and this animal is getting having the wings also, and this card says of the victory. That means the cards are not denying, the cards are saying yes, Sushant will come in this world. There are the possibilities that the Sushant will come in this world, and through Ankita he will come. And this is the card shows that Sushant himself will be very studious, very good student, very good, very responsible person for for his mother, very responsible for his mother, for his family. Whatever I have predicted in the previous, if you have seen the videos, so these cards are saying these only which I have taken out. So I have converted in English. Thank you for watching my video.